Hi kids, welcome back to Reading Time with Celia. Today I'm going to continue reading Dog Man, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea by Dave Pilkey. Chapter 8, Breaking News, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. Meanwhile, this place is amazing! Thanks, Peggy. My Uncle Larry built it all. He's a genius. Oh, shucks. And what is that? Oh, it's a flying sub. It was inspired by Nobody cares. The only thing I care about is, does it work? It sure does. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! It's all I ever wanted. It's beautiful. And the best part is, I've got the whole place to myself. All aboard! Hey, get out of here! Okay, Piggy, let's get this sub out of here. Foosh, foosh. But wait, we can't fit through that tiny door. Sub. Don't worry, Piggy. Watch this. Our bits in Cytotron can make this sub shrink. Ka-clunk. Sub will shrink in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hee hee hee. Shrinking now. Sha, 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 sha. Sha, 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 sha. Sub. And so, sub. Nice job, Uncle Larry. Oh, shucks. Now can you make us grow super big? I sure can. Ka-clunk. Sub will grow in 5 seconds. Hee hee hee. But then, hey! This story isn't true. I never said 20,000. I never said they were submarines. I never. Sha. Never. Sha. Never mind. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 9. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a blessed day.